Hello. Oh, hello, Vijay Lakshmi. Hi, born to love cats. Nice. Rosa Artistry. Hi, Adam. Hello. Bijal Shah, Sangeeta, Jessica, Chanu, Devika. Hi, hi, hi. Hi, Arisha Araf. How you are feeling? Have you finished your project? Have you finished your board? So that we can move for the next part. Hi, Arya. Hi, Meena. Okay, let me just wait for some 2 minutes so that everyone can join and then we can start. And meanwhile, if you guys have finished your board, it's good. You can unmode it with me. Hi Meena, hi Mary, Padma, Ramchandran. Hi Ankita. Yes, but it is not. I'll show you how to take it off. Don't worry. It take a little time, but I'll show you. I'll show you at least two, three ways so that you know how to take it out. Don't worry. Hi Roshni. Hi Mudita. Okay. So just a quick recap of Hi Anuruddh. Just a quick recap about yesterday, what we did. So ouch, we had a board and we put the plastic wrap over the board. Then we took the small pieces of paper and stick it on the board so that when we layer it up, it will be hard while drying. And then we can take it out and use it for anything. Anirudh, actually, we made paper bone yesterday. So, what you can do is you can see how different uses, and later on you can try it out over the weekend. And how to do that? You need any board, any shape, any size is fine. Just take it, and what you can do is you need to wrap it. Even if it is with plastic, you need to wrap it with a polythene or a food wrap. Once you wrap it, what you can do is you take Fevicol or any white glue and stick your paper with like small pieces of paper. ऐसा नहीं पूरा paper ही चिपका देना. Take small pieces of paper and stick it around the board so that it will take the shape of your base, and when you take it out you can use it for anything. How you can show you today. Okay, so just give me like 2-3 minutes, so not 2-3 minutes, like 10 seconds. Just move my camera in. Okay. Hi Jyoti, hi Sonali. If you guys missed it yesterday's session, don't worry. The video is already uploaded on YouTube so that you can go and watch it. And guys, we are doing only the workshop the which you for which you can find the material easily at home. I'm not doing anything for which workshop or which session you need to go out and buy new stuff. We are using what you have at home. Okay, let me just give it a height. I think it's on right now. Okay, so this is what I did yesterday. I finished it like with the 15 layer of the paper, and now using a balloon is okay. Yes, definitely you just need a base, a hard base. But if you are using balloon, make sure you tape your balloon on some cup or something, because what will happen once you start sticking the paper on your balloon, it may start falling off. जहाँ पे पेपर ज़्यादा हो रहा वो उसके साइड पे आना शुरू कर देगा नीचे. So if you are using balloon, make sure you tape your balloon on a cup or on a katori or on any of the base, like on the floor as well. Just tape it so that it will be stable. And yesterday also I said that when you start putting Fevicol and paper on your base, you need to make sure you put something beneath it, because what will happen, Fevicol will start sticking with the base, and that's what happened here. Because it's paper, it's Fevicol we used, it's all with, and it's not waterproof. So don't worry if you have made any mistake, that is also fine. You just need to use any kind of paper, any waste paper is enough. Any newspaper, magazine paper, even the cardboard. But with the cardboard you need to make a small strip, otherwise क्या हो रहा, cardboard थोड़ा hard होता है, so it may not get the shape properly of your base. So that's why if you are using cardboard, just cut as thin as possible. Okay, let me just remove the newspaper. And generally क्या होता है ना, when we start doing something we try करते हैं, so don't do that. Start removing from one end. Just slowly start removing it from one end. And even if have like not sharp edges or not smooth edges, it's absolutely fine. We can later cut it with the scissor. So I'm just removing it from one side at a time. And that's the only reason I said that you should put plastic or a poly wrap around the base first, so that it will be like easy for you to remove it. And if you don't have any like plastic wrap or plastic at home, you know, at many places plastic is banned. So what you can do is you can use sellotape or any kind of tape. Just do it a little slowly, because what the thing is, it's still drying, and the last layer may not be very dry, it may be a little mushy. So just be careful while removing the paper or the base. Let me see if I can remove from this side. Yeah. And that's the only reason I didn't remove it earlier from the session, because I wanted to show you how much struggle you can expect. Because I have seen a lot of YouTube videos where they don't show you the struggle they were going through, because it's not rocket science, but it's not very fun thing to remove a bone from a bowl. So just take your time. And as I said earlier, I don't waste these papers or any of the scrape. I can use the same thing for later for any project. I can like see if I can make another board, or I can like just stick the same paper on the same board. So I'm just going to put it aside. Now just start removing the tape which were securing your food wrap just be as slow as possible, because speed में क्या हो रहा है ना, you may ruin the shape of the board और कहीं पे डेंट आ जाएगा. So it's better just take your time. And you can make the same board with paper quilling or with buttons or with anything. It's depend on you what you actually could find at home. Not necessary कि newspaper होना चाहिए, because here I don't have much newspaper, and that's the reason I used toilet roll for it. But if you have used newspaper or magazine paper, it would be the best thing to use for making a board. Okay, so I have removed the tape. Now I need to remove it from the base. So what I can do is I can slowly make space around the board. Don't pull it too hard, otherwise it may break, because anyway it's just a paper and glue. So you need to be a little patient. Just see if you can make a little gap from the base. Oh, because it can happen like there may be a small portion where the Fevicol may leak, like it happened here. I can feel it. So just be a little careful removing it. Don't use any sharp objects unless it's unavoidable. Okay. So as you can see, everywhere I have a little. Now what I do is I just reverse it and see if I can take it out. And don't push it too hard or pull it too hard, because my bone is a little heavy. I'm just reversing it and trying to take it out. But if your bone or your base like balloon को रिमूव करना बहुत ईजी है कि हवा निकाल दो वो निकल जाएगा, बिकॉज इट्स मेड ऑफ प्लास्टिक और काइंड ऑफ अ पॉलीथीन. But if you are using any of the base which is not very heavy as I have, what you can do is you just keep on trying to loosen it up. जितना लूज करेंगे उतना easily निकल के आएगा ये. But for me it's a little heavy, so I'm just reversing it so that with gravity it go down and my bone can come out from the top part. It will take you a little time, because sometimes it happens the bone is not dried properly or like that. So it's fine, take your time. Just see if you can make little drips everywhere. Don't start only from the one place, just go around it. Oh, it will take like some time for me to remove it. So let's see. Ouch. I just don't want to lose the shape of the bowl. That's the only reason I am taking my time. Sumitra, what you can do is you can send us pictures on Facebook messages or Insta messages. Let me see if I can use a hair dryer and then. What I am trying to do is I am just trying to hot air around the boat so that it can release it. And yesterday also I mentioned that it will take around 24 hour minimum to dry completely. So make sure your bone is completely dry before you try unmolding it. Great, Dipshitra. If you want, you can send me a video request and show it to everyone. Whoever is on Insta, they can actually send me a video request. Whatever they made, they can show it to everyone if they are comfortable. If not, they can, or anyone can send pictures to us on Insta or on Facebook messages, and we will post it on our stories later on. And I really love how kids are doing nowadays, even adults, because everyone needs something to do in the quarantine. Ow. Okay, so my bone is came out, but because it's not dried completely, it has a little rough edges or the wet edges inside. So what I do is I keep it to like outside just to dry completely. Then I'll paint it. Your bone came out completely okay and dried. What you can do is that is what I'm going to show you next. Okay. So this is how it is looking from inside. It's not dried properly, and that's the only reason it tore a little. But I'll put another layer of Fevicol and paper and it would be fine. Now, what you can do here, you can use the same wall as it is. You don't need to do anything if you are happy. But if you wanted to decorate it, so you can use any of the paper quilling, stick it around, or even outside. You can stick it around outside. It would be beautiful. I'll finish my bone later on so that I can show you how it looks. Let me see on video call. Meanwhile, I just start drawing things. How are you? Okay, she left. Maybe some internet problem or something. Let's see what all you can do. So as I always draw few alternatives for you. So that's the another thing I'm going to do today as well, so that you have at least 3-4 ways to finish it, or you can like merge two technique or something like uh, something which you actually wanted to do, but you can merge 2-3 techniques. So now what else you can do? My drawing may not be very beautiful, but just understand the concept. First, you have made bone. You can make a square bone as well. If you have your base square, you can use any Tupperware or anything, and then you can put fruits, uh, any fruits, any you can put art supply or craft supply in it. I mostly be going to use it for my art and craft supply so that I can organize it better. Third thing, if you feel your bone is a little thinner, it's not very thick or it's not very hard, what you can do is you take a hard needle. Like for example, I have these clay tools. So I can take ouch, something like this and just pour a hole in it. Make at least 4-5 holes. So what you can do is you can tie the knots here. And if you remember that t-shirt upcycled video, I actually hang the board with the thread. So you can also hang this board and put something like candy or something in it, whatever you like. You even put the ear plant because they don't need water. Then this is your third one. So what you need is you need your board. In board, just pour few holes so that you can put a thread around it and hang it. You can hang it in one way this, or just use the macrame or the t-shirt hanger I showed you the earlier. You can hang it in second way. Fourth, now these are like bottom down uses. What else you can do? So this is your fourth. Now you can have your board upside down. Okay. What you can do is you can poke a hole at the center. And let me show you one Tevin dam. Okay, this is my Tevin dam, right? So I can, I don't know, the height is too much for my stand. So I can't show you on this, but I can draw it for you. So what you can do is, this is your board. You just poke few holes here and there and put toothpick, either toothpick or something like these sticks. These are tandoor stick which used to make tandoori paneer or tandoori chicken kind of stuff. So just put it so that your needle will be here, and this will be your nightstand dam. Okay. Fifth, it's just a board. I am showing you different ways how you can use it, because I know if I show you only one thing, then it may not be very interesting. So that's the only reason I am showing you second wala banana. You can choose any of these. Fifth one, for fifth one, what you need is again upside down board. Put a hole here, put your bun here, and you take out your wire, electric wire out of the center of the board. So you can actually hand it directly. So you can use in any of different ways. If you have more ways to use the same board, send me pictures, send me idea, and I'll share it with everyone. And now, what else you can decorate? These are just the use. These are just the use of the board. But how to decorate it? So as I showed you, you can put any of the paper quilling stuff in it, or you can paint it. You just need a water-based paint, and you can paint it with Red Sea theme or any theme as you like. Even if with the coffee painting or the haldi painting or the natural pigment painting, anything is fine. You just need to paint it. Anjali, can you tell me more, like which one you want me to explain? Because I'm talking about so many things. Can you just send me which thing you wanted to know more? Okay. Let me just reverse the camera angle so that I can check more comments and see if anyone have any doubts. Fourth one. अच्छा, fourth one के लिए. So paint on the wall. Yes, it's paper. So any water-based paint is fine. Okay, for fourth one, what I am trying to do in your bowl, take this, throw your bowl, and then try to stitch it, and then tighten this ring. So what will happen? It will actually hold your bone because it's with the paper, and it's not very heavy. So you can actually hand it with just a toothpick or the screen got off. I pressed the wrong button. Okay, just let me scroll through the comments so that I can answer all the questions. I hate this stand, but I love doing this. Okay, Facebook or Insta messages. Even Araf's came out. Yay! Nice. Send me pictures. Sumita, my daughter Trisha is doing the workshop. She is enjoying. I am too. We like your workshop. Thank you so much, Abhishek. It's really nice to send the compliments. It's an encouragement for me. I'm showing you there are millions and millions of ways you can make a bowl or you can do something. I'm just showing you the easiest way to do something. Can we use acrylic to paint on the bowl? Natural pigments like haldi or the coffee powder. So you can use it. Let me just scroll through the Insta. Nice, nice area. Send me pictures. Don't forget to send me pictures if you are done any of the different ways, like I showed you 5 ways. Send me a picture. If you have more ideas, don't forget to send me pictures and the ideas and the compliments and the comments and everything. I'm very excited today. I don't know why. I'll show you why. Actually, I know. Let me just answer all the question, then I'll show you why I'm very excited. Hi, Mamta. Hi, Archie. Hi. When will be the session for 3D origami and 3D paper quilling? I'll be coming up with more session. Actually, we are inviting more special guests on our page to give you more variety. Like tomorrow will be Shivori and day after tomorrow will be Madhubani painting. So be a little patient. We will be continuing this session for very long. So don't worry. We will definitely come out with the 3D origami and paper quilling. And that's the reason I was excited. Where is my paper quilling stuff? Okay, just a second. Okay, so this is the reason I am very happy today, because I am making a lot of paper quilling stuff. I don't know, it will fall out. So I am making a lot of paper quilling stuff, so that when I come up with the session, at least we can finish at least one thing. And if you are planning, like if you want me to do paper quilling, I request you to at least do the basic paper quilling and make a lot of flower, butterfly, leaves, and whatever you can make. Make at least 3 packet of paper quilling stuff, so that when I show you how to assemble it, it will be much more easy for you. Which varnish to use? Any paper varnish is fine. Out nice. Thank you, Roshim Z. Hi, Rekha Joshi. My namesake. My bone came out very easily. Nice, Dipitra. Dipitra, actually, the thing is, if you are using a little like that newspaper or the magazine paper, it will come out very easily, because it gets harder once it dry. So it's good, because I am using toilet paper, and it was here. It's still a little winter. It's like 10 degree here, so it's not drying very fast. So they show some ready piece. Devika, I explained earlier as well. I don't have any ready piece because I'm not at my home. I'm not. I was traveling when this lockdown came up, so I'm stuck outside India. So I don't have anything. Once I finish my this one, maybe I'll post the pictures then. Can you explain once again? Yes, what you need is, you need just a base. Any base is fine, any bowl, any Tupperware, any balloon, anything is fine. Then you just wrap it with the plastic, and then put the little paper strip with on the bowl, and let it dry for minimum 24 hours. Krishna made a lot of quinine, which will come to use today. Nice, great. Can you repeat all 4 uses? So it's very easy. It's just a basket. You can just put the fruits in it. It's just for the art supply. This is for the handling. You can put onion or anything in it and hand it in different ways. This is for lampshade, and this is for another lampshade. This is table stand lampshade, and this one you can hand it directly. Deepika, give me your WhatsApp number. Sorry, we don't share our personal details, especially the contact details. If you have any doubts, if you have any questions, send us messages on Insta or Facebook. We will definitely answer everything. And I know many people will agree with me that we answer every question. We don't miss any question, and we don't miss anything on Insta or Facebook messages. We try to answer it within a day, but if we don't, we definitely answer it as soon as possible, or as soon as we get the time. And we definitely don't share the personal detail of anyone of our team, whether it's Manveen, whether it's me or Ria or anyone. So you need to send us pictures or the messages on Facebook and WhatsApp, and that is just for the security reason. Okay. Any other question? Anyone wants to come online and show me their board on Insta? Because on Facebook, I may not be able to take you on video call. Hi, Padmini Durai Rala. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Anyone wants to show me something? because we have a lot of time today. Or if you want, I can repeat the same thing if you missed anything, or if you have any questions, because I can't paint my board yet. It's still wet. As you can see, it's a little bobbly. So that's why I need another day to let it dry and shape it. And once paint it or do something, I haven't decided yet. But when once I decided, I'll definitely show you the pictures. Any other question if you have? How to decorate it? Can you please give some idea? How do we get on video with you? Abhishek, for that you need to come on Instagram, because on Facebook it's not possible right now. For that I need to, I think, install some other app, which I don't want it to do right now. But you can come on Instagram, and Instagram pay when you come, as soon as you join the call or the video call, you get a notification that send a request to the host to join the video. And once you send it, I get the request and I can accept it, and you can come online. Okay, for decoration, you can either decorate it something like this. I still have to finish it. So this is the same bottle which we were doing sometime back, few days back. It's still work in progress, so you can do the same thing. Okay, I got a request from Creative Crafts by Chi. Let's see if what did she have to show us. No problem, Abhishek. You're welcome. Let's see if she can join us. Hello. 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 Guys, if you are sending me video requests, make sure you at least talk, because it's very weird because others are also watching you. Okay, any other questions? Okay, I was talking about how to decorate it. You can also use the 3D paint on the board, or you can do some. They didn't had the block, so that's why I made a potato block and made this. How to post pictures on Facebook. Sumita, you go on our Facebook page, and there you will see a message, how to send a message box, a button that you see on any other profile. So you will see the same message button on our profile, Hobina box, and then you can send us pictures from the messenger. So there are number of ways you can decorate your bowl. If you have any, I'm planning to have a painting with thread or wool, like the painting thing, kind of this painting, but with the same. Guys, don't do the video call, because but you can send us pictures, you can send us messages anytime. So don't call on the same thing like here. So once the lockdown is over, we can definitely organize that as well. What else you can do? Any other question, any other project you have in mind? Because for tomorrow you need to be ready with the shibori. You need one color. You can either make the natural pigment at home if you don't have any color, or you need a white cloth. You can use a handkerchief. And day after tomorrow, another special guest artist is coming whose name is Sarthar, and he will be doing for the Madhubani. He will show you how to do Madhubani from the starting, from the basic. So if you are interested, or any of your other friend who don't know more about us, you can definitely share the idea with them, so that they can also be benefited with the same thing, because these are on the free workshop, these are on the free session till the lockdown. So if you want to share the same thing with your friends, because I know a lot of people are staying outside India and they don't know many things to do at this lockdown with kids or with themselves, what they can do. Can you write for Dreamcatcher having looked in your video? This one or the one I did for the video from many people. So you can make it very easily. It's a hula hoop. Which normally kids use for the playing. But I have two hula hoops here, and it's the same design but a little different variant. If you can see, there's a little thread here somewhere, and in this one you will not see a extra thread. So there are different ways you can do it. I request you, if you don't know the basic Dreamcatcher making, you go on our YouTube channel or on Facebook or anywhere, just search for Dreamcatcher and practice with the basic, because many people I have seen do the knots very wrong. They just tie a knot, or they just take out their thread very wrong way. So I request you to just practice with the basic, and maybe next few days I'll be doing the advanced Dreamcatcher workshop. Then let's see if Nipika can join us. Let's see. Hi.
Hi.
Oh, it's nice.
So
Show
nice.
me your book.
Which part of the world are you in? Yeah, this is the
So
bowl. How's this?
I'm from India, but I am stuck in
Yeah, I
Germany
know
right now.
that.
It's
Where are you,
nice.
but how's it
I'm in
come? Nice.
Germany.
I think
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
very thin. So can I
So
make it
that,
thicker?
yeah. You need to put a lot of
Do you
layer.
feel
That's
it's
why,
thin?
yeah. It's very thin. It may lose its shape
Yeah.
once you put something inside. So put at least 10 or 20 layers till the
This is
time you
10.
feel it's this is 10.
This
Then
is 10.
put more
20.
layer. Yeah.
Okay. I want to
And
know that what is the purpose of putting a tissue?
uh, which tissue?
You put
So
no tissue.
basically, no. So basically, I don't have any newspaper here. So that's why
Okay.
I use a toilet paper roll. But if you
Okay.
have any,
No, no reason. Just like that.
no,
Okay.
it's like whatever material if you have at home, like
It's
जरूरी
available to
नहीं है,
you.
हाँ जरूरी नहीं है
हाँ.
कि आपके पास
Okay.
न्यूज़पेपर है तो किसी और के
So
पास
now
भी हो. So
these
it's
edges
like
I'll
if
have to
you
cut
have
neatly, you
newspaper,
know.
use it. If you have magazine, video chat request, please don't fall on video because it's not good for the team. Acha, I have a question for you. So
Yeah, tell me.
which one is your favorite one?
All. I have a great time. I enjoy it. After all the housework that we have to do, it's like, oh, it's like nirvana. I just love it. So for me, it doesn't matter what you teach me, I just do it. It's so
And
beautiful.
is it easy for you to follow
Yeah,
me
yeah,
on?
very easy, very easy. I mean, easy to
Because
follow because of the way you teach. I like the way
oh,
you teach me. It's really fantastic. I thank you so much. And thank you for making my everyday so beautiful. Really.
no,
Thank you.
thank
Thank
you
you.
so much.
Thank you. Okay, bye. So I'll just make this thicker, right? That's it.
Yeah. You are making me
Make
blush
it thicker.
now. Okay.
You're gone red. Your cheeks have gone red.
Because I'm
But
not
I thank you
using
so
the.
much. I really thank you a lot. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye
I'm
bye.
looking forward to Shipori tomorrow. Bye.
Yeah. I'll
Take
be
care.
not there, but somebody will be there soon.
Doesn't matter. I look forward to seeing you next. Bye. Take care.
Okay, I am red now. Not good. Let's see if Fiona can join us. Okay. It's too much. Nobody did compliment this much compliment. Hi.
Yeah, go show yours.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Fiona.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
I think you took a lot of time to figure out how to do the video request.
Yeah. This is mine.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Sit down. Sit down so I can show.
Sit down, sit down, sit down.
hello.
Hi.
Hi. So this is mine. It's not that thick, but
Yes.
so I painted it really purple, and then I'm probably gonna cut out paper later and then do some patterns onto it. So
Okay, that's it. Now yours.
Hi.
Hi.
So I made this. I was going for like a galaxy theme, but I still need to repaint it. Cause so I'm letting it dry right now. So mine's like thick.
To try. Just take your time, finish it. And do you like sessions doing with online or like how it is? Is it easy for you? Okay. Fiona, I think the internet was a problem. Just send me pictures and we will post it later on. And tell your kids to be a little patient because it will take a little time to dry completely. No problem. Okay, for shivori, just write down what you need. You need a white cloth. Either it can be a handkerchief or it can be any dress, any dupatta, anything is fine. It has to be white. Then you need for the shivori. And maybe I'll see you guys on Monday because tomorrow and day after tomorrow special guests are coming. I'll just take this last video request and then I'll finish today's session. Let's see. Okay, so I'm ending this session here only so that you can finish your board. Let it dry before painting. I'll finish mine and maybe Telegram group. Send us a message and we will share the link with you. And for shivori, you need a white cloth, either dupatta, either handkerchief or anything. It should be white so that when you dye it, the pattern will be visible. Then you need a container, a dye or a natural pigment if you don't have any dye. Then you need thread, the thinner one and the thicker one. Thinner one for the stitching and thicker one for making knots. And a small thicker needle. Which we use for the denim, and then you need a container to for the dye, like dye को उसमें पानी में डाल के and then we will dye. Okay, so that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed a lot because I enjoy a lot making these stuff, and I hope to see you soon on Monday. Tomorrow will be shivori, day after tomorrow will be Madhubani, so be online at the same time and enjoy your weekend. Bye bye.